day 17 of my 365 days. It's weekend today and I usually cook Filipino foods on the weekends. So I'm gonna cook mung bean soup or ginisang munggo na may sabaw. To make it faster, first, I'm gonna boil the mung beans or cook it to soften it. I normally use pork belly or pork ribs as the meat, but since I don't have it, I'm gonna use bacon. Growing up, my mom would cook ginisang munggo and paired it with fried fish or grilled fish. And since I don't have fish as well, I'm gonna pair it with fried crispy bacon. In a pan, let's put some cooking oil. We're gonna saute onions and garlic. Let's add the sliced bacon. And add the mung beans that we boiled. I added kabocha or Asian squash. To add some more vegetables, I added frozen string beans, adding better than bouillon to have some more flavors. And this is frozen banana peppers from my garden, so I can use it anytime. Let's season it with salt and pepper. Let's simmer it until the kabocha and string beans are cooked. And then you can add your greens, and I just use spinach. And it's cooked. Let's get it ready. We're gonna have a steamed white rice, a fried crispy bacon, and of course our mung bean soup or ginisang munggo with sabaw. Let's eat. Do you also love cooking? Do you love mung bean soup? And if you do, if you have your own version of the mung bean soup, please let me know. I want to try it too. I hope you like this video. If you do, please let me know. You can like and share this page. And please let me know if you want me to make some more of this kind of video. I do appreciate you sticking with me until the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching my episodes of life.